Top 3 foods that fight diseases in our body. Yogurt. Yogurt is a dairy product made by fermenting milk using one or more of a variety of particular bacteria such as Lactobacillus acidophilus. Whether yogurt is a healthful choice depends on the person consuming it and the type of yogurt. Yogurts can be high in protein, calcium, vitamins, and live culture, or probiotics, which can enhance the gut microbiota. Yogurt can also be a great source of vitamin D, which helps regulate the immune system and is thought to boost our body's natural defenses against diseases. Yogurt restores normal bacteria in the intestine after antibiotic therapy and for treating antibiotic-associated diarrhea and acute diarrhea in children. Yogurt is also used for treating and preventing vaginal yeast and bacteria infections, and preventing urinary tract infections. Yogurt is also used for preventing colorectal cancer and sunburns and infections that cause stomach ulcers. These can offer protection for bones and teeth and help prevent digestive problems. Low-fat yogurt can be a useful source of protein on a weight loss diet. Yogurt seems to be safe in food amounts and might be safe when applied intravaginally during pregnancy. One study, which followed more than 5,000 university graduates in Spain for about 2 years, found a link between dairy intake and risk of high blood pressure. So yogurts stand a chance to lower blood pressure in our body system. We observed a 50% reduction in the risk of developing high blood pressure among people eating 2 to 3 servings of low-fat dairy a day, or more. Nuts. Nuts are seed kernels that are widely used in cooking or eaten on their own as a snack. They're high in fat and calories. They contain a hard, inedible outer shell that usually needs to be cracked open to release the kernel inside. Scientists from the Harvard T.H. Chan School of Public Health have found impressive reasons for recommending regular nut consumption as a way to manage diabetes. In a controlled study, people with type 2 diabetes who ate more than 5 servings of nuts per week lowered their risk of heart disease by as much as 17%. There have been many studies showing the beneficial effects of nuts on heart health. Eating nuts at least 4 times per week is correlated with fewer cases of coronary heart disease and myocardial infarctions. Nuts also play an important role in regulating cholesterol. Scientists have found a direct correlation between eating nuts at least a few times per week and the reduction of LDL cholesterol and triglyceride levels in the body. Improved cholesterol is associated with less risk of stroke or cardiovascular disease. Green tea. Green tea is consumed worldwide for its unique flavor and high nutritional value. It promotes weight loss, supports immune function and increases your metabolism. Due to its natural energy-boosting properties, it's an excellent alternative to coffee. Plus, it may help prevent viral infections and speed up recovery when you're sick. This drink was an integral part of tea ceremonies in ancient China and Japan. High-quality green teas are made with more leaves and steeped multiple times. Lower quality varieties use fewer leaves and are steeped hotter. Cold and cough are very common during this season, especially due to the increased pollution and the change of season. To prevent and also to treat the condition, you can use a cup of warm green tea. Researchers found that not only does drinking tea on a regular basis help you recover from a cold, but may also make you less likely to get one in the first place and could help prevent recurring or new infections. Black tea contains astringent tannic acids that shrink swollen tissues and help staunch bleeding. Here's the real reason your gums are bleeding. If you have swollen gums, press wet black tea bags directly on them to start healing. You can also use tea as a mouthwash to improve gum health. If you have any concerns, you should always check with your doctor or dentist. Strengthening your immune system is a lot easier than you think. Once you pick up these natural immune-boosting habits, you'll start feeling healthier in no time, and you can start with black tea.